Right, hiya guys, welcome back to the Moaning Yorkshireman featuring Brian. Say hello, Brian.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon still. So today we are changing this side light bulb in this vehicle because it has gone in the mighty Matiz. So the first thing you do is unlock the vehicle and pop the bonnet like thus. It's going to be a very informative video, this, isn't it, Dad? No? Well, we're going to do it exactly how we do it, don't we? So we're going to have it accurate. So what you do is you pop the bonnet, and then, as the Haynes manual says, disconnect the battery. Then we undo that screw there, and that there.
First, we have to find
the right socket.
the right socket. No.
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 That was just met with a no. No, is it, or a yes?
I'd say yes on that one.
And what size is that one?
10mm.
10mm. Everyone always needs a 10mm. Then you undo them.
I'm going to put an extension on that because it's a bit awkward.
Oh. Watch the painter. Still seems a bit stiff, that.
It does, doesn't it? It'll come in.
I don't know. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's coming out. It's coming out.
Have we ever done one of these?
I think we've done this side. I don't think we've ever done that side.
That's
No.
why it's still tight.
Yeah. That's it. That is one undone. Ta-da! Place it somewhere safe in a tray or a receptacle.
Oh, that one's loose.
Oh, that one's, there you go, look. That one's easier. That one obviously weren't put in right last time. There you go. And now we shimmy it, I think, don't we?
I think it has to shimmy sideways.
I mean, you don't have to worry too much because these wings are made of paper, so you can just
shimmy sideways.
Shimmy sideways.
Shimmy sideways.
Oh, look at that!
Out.
Didn't even have to shout and swear or nothing, did we?
Turn it over. Disconnect the plug.
Disconnect the plug at the back. And then pull the bung out.
Pull the bung out.
And then it's one of them there bulbs.
Which bulb? Put side lights on, we don't know which bulb it is, do we?
Didn't check, did we?
I presume it's that little one at the bottom.
Is it what? You mean, well...
Yeah.
Oh, so is it that? Yeah, it's got to be that.
It's got to be that.
Got to be that.
We'll not bother with that. We're just
going to go for it out.
That one.
So that one there, that awkward one there, and obviously that's the main big bulb there. If you ever need to replace that. So there you go. So it's that one that's gone.
Pull it out.
Pull it out.
And then see if we've got one.
Let's see if we've got one, because as all true mechanics do, we don't actually know if we've got that one. What is it? It's whatever that one is.
I don't think we have.
Oh.
Unless we've got it in the car.
Okay. So then what we have to do is raid the other vehicle of its bulbs. I ain't got a bulb set in this one, have I?
No.
No. So we're going to this vehicle and raid this one. Hopefully. Come on. Oh, we've
One of these has got to have,
it's got to have one in. Come on.
Which one are we going for?
Go for that one first.
Go for black one.
Yeah. Is it in there? Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Oh.
That one?
No, I think that's too small, isn't it?
No, that looks about it.
Is it?
Oh no.
No? I bet it used to be there.
That one. Yeah, it's not there.
So it's not there. So that one's missing. So that one's incompletio. And then
try this one.
Oh, there's a space where there's a bulb. Should be.
No. The space where it should be.
So we've ended up using them all. Damn. Bugger. Right, there you go then. So we'll have to cancel and pause while we go get a bulb with these. Shit. Right, so we are back with the bulb and we need required one of them. Do you you want to read it out to him, Bri?
I can't. You're not with me without my glasses.
Read it out, go on.
So
Like a
12
Bible.
volt, 5 watt, W2, 1X9.5D.
There you go. So just go to your local.
Or, in short, an RU501.
There you go. There you go. So go to your local parts supplier and ask for one of them. Or just show them this video,
Or just take the bulb that you've already
Or just take the bulb that
out,
you've
let
already
them-
took out and then let them sort it.
let
But
them
you
in.
should have them in stock, shouldn't you?
Should have, yes.
But people can buy these before they change the bulb then, so they don't have to go to a parts department, come back and then it start raining.
Right. Let's see where we are now. So that then is
Clips into there,
back in there,
into hither.
and then
it.
back
Pushes that
into
back into
there,
That's orifice.
into there. I don't know if there's any particular way it should go.
We're about to find out, aren't we?
That's back in.
That's it, lovely.
Then do we want to try it before I go any further?
Should we try before we buy?
No.
No, don't put that on.
No.
Are you
I'm
sure?
going to put it back on because it might not make a circuit without that
okay.
being
Yeah,
on.
we are to Earth.
Yeah.
This is planet Earth.
Right, let's try it before we go any
So
further.
before we buy. Right, hold that. It's recording so you're alright.
So,
Are we ready?
let's see if we light up.
Shall I start it up just in case? Can we have that?
No, I think we should be alright, just for side lights.
Side light,
Side light on.
headlight.
Yeah, we're on.
We're on.
We're on, we've cracked it.
Hooray!
Right, just got to
Lovely. Now we just need to fasten it
get
up.
it back in place and bolt it back into place.
Fasten it.
So,
I wonder if this is going to get 22,000 views like my other video did on the Matiz. Do you reckon?
so you have to line that bolt, that knob there.
Oh, my minute.
Needs to go into that there,
That little plastic
Yeah.
crevice.
which is
Nowhere near where you're going.
easier said than done.
How come it came out so
I don't
easy?
know. Because
And then you're going to watch your front flat.
oh,
that's
that's it.
Look at
Look at
that.
that.
Bloody hell, even we're amazed at how easy that were. Look at that. So that's it. So there were a plastic knob that you saw briefly that needs to secure in, and then you put your bolts back in. Like thus. So longest bit's been going for bulb and tape.
if we'd have got that in, we'd have had it done.
We've got it in bloody Danielle.
Danielle's got it.
Stealing my bulb. Because Alfred got it wrong one and said they couldn't change it. Quite echoey under here. I think it's because that's made of tin. I've seen shed roofs with more metal on them now.
Right, that one's got to come
Tight.
back out because I'm not convinced that one's working properly.
Which one?
That's really tight, but it's not gone down.
What's really tight? That
That
one?
one, I think it's going to need a bit cross-hobbled.
A bit cross-hobbled. Need a bit of grease on it with any copper slop or any WD.
So get a bit of WD. 'cause
Yeah.
it seems really tight.
There it is, look, the mighty beast. Look at that. 130, what have I got at it now? 134 nearly.
Nearly went in all that.
Nearly went in, didn't it? I saw that. In and around. Look at that. Worth a go, innit? See if it goes in any better. Because otherwise your aim will be off, won't it? Is that better?
It's still tight, isn't it?
Oh, it is going in though, that's better.
Yeah, but it's not. But that's, I think that's the bolt that came out of that one.
Oh, so you think it's a dodgy bolt?
Yeah.
Is it tightened up?
No. Washer's still spinning, so it needs to go a bit more. Oh, that's easier.
I got it, yeah.
That's getting better.
That's it. These things can happen with aged vehicles.
That's where it's done.
That's it. Are we double checking that one?
That's nice.
Lovely.
That's nice.
Lovely. Empty box.
Rubbish.
Pop it down.
Remember 10mm next time.
10mm, yeah. So all you need is a 10mm, a 501 bulb, and don't forget you put the knob in your orifice as you put it back in there.
Don't forget that.
Don't forget your knob.
If you don't get your knob in, it's working.
Not having a chance.
There you go.
That's it. Let you pop on it. Can't do it.
Hold on a minute, I've got
Hands full. Got hands full. Raymond. That's it. Pop the bonnet.
Put the bonnet down.
Should we double check it again now? It's in.
Now it's in. Now I've bolted it all back together.
Now it's in. Now it's all bolted and orificed and. Side lights.
Side light.
Headlights.
Yeah.
Ta-da!
Perfect.
Perfect. Right, there we go. Oh, what tyre?
Looking a bit bored.
Oh yeah, can need tracking doing, don't I? Yeah, that's proper scrubbing, isn't it? I had a whole front side on here because the kin. What's it like on inside?
You feel it?
Oh, I can see it, yeah. No, that's another job for another day. Right, thanks a lot for watching, guys, and as always, much love.